Islamabad police arrested 32 activists of the banned Hizb Tahrir after a raid at a house located in Sector F8 of Islamabad on October 18th. Among the arrested are Rizwan Aleem, studying nuclear science at the Ghulam Ishaq Khan University for his PhD. Aman Hamza is an environmental scientist and Abid Mahmood works for USAID project in Islamabad. Hizb Tahrir was banned in Pakistan in 2003, mainly because its focus was the personnel of the security forces.
Hizb Tahrir was banned in Pakistan. The reason was they are trying to create their influence in the army.
According to official sources, the international community has been worried for some time about the possibility of such individuals joining militant outfits. But there are many who do not consider Hizb Tahrir a militant organization. Banned Hizb Tahrir was founded in Jerusalem in 1953. It gained considerable influence in Britain and other Western countries as well. The banned religious outfit challenges the present political system and wants to bring all Muslims together under Khilafat. Officially, it has always renounced violence.
There was a study in the University of Islamabad, and we found that the physical sciences students were more inclined towards the radicalization if compared with the social science.
Banned outfits like the Hizb Tahrir are working round the clock to promote their radical ideology and recruit activists. Is the government doing anything to monitor its activities and put a stop to further recruitment of the Pakistani youth? Azaz Syed, DawnNews, Islamabad.